Good morning, everyone. So today we are going to discuss remaining question of exercise 2.2 of chapter 2nd linear equation in one variable. Question number 11 of exercise 2.2 is Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather. मीन उसके फादर की जो एज है उसके ग्रैंडफादर की एज से 26 ईयर्स छोटी है, या फिर हम यूँ कह सकते हैं ग्रैंडफादर इज़ 26 ईयर ओल्डर देन बाईचुंग्स फादर, एंड बाईचुंग्स फादर इज़ 29 ईयर्स ओल्डर देन बाईचुंग, और बाईचुंग के फादर की जो एज है या फिर बाईचुंग के फादर बाईचुंग से 29 ईयर्स बड़े हैं. द सम ऑफ द एजेस ऑफ ऑल द थ्री इज़ 135 ईयर्स, और तीनों की जो एज का सम है वो है 135 ईयर्स. व्हाट इज़ द एज ऑफ ईच वन ऑफ देम. तो आप हमें बताना है कि उन तीनों की एज क्या है. ओके, सो लेट बाईचुंग्स एज बी एक्स. हम मान लेते हैं कि बाईचुंग की जो एज है वो है एक्स, एंड हिज फादर्स एज बी एक्स प्लस 29 बिकॉज हिज फादर इज़ 29 ईयर्स ओल्डर देन बाईचुंग. सो उसके फादर की एज हो जाएगी एक्स प्लस 29, फादर्स एज. एंड हिज ग्रैंड फादर्स एज बी, हिज ग्रैंड फादर इज 26 ईयर ओल्डर देन हिज फादर. सो फादर्स एज इज एक्स प्लस 29 और हम इसमें 26 ऐड कर देंगे. सो ग्रैंड फादर्स एज इज एक्स प्लस 29 प्लस 26 एक्स प्लस 55. So Baichung's age x, father's age x plus 29, and grandfather age is x plus 55. Now the sum of ages of all the three is 135. Mean Baichung's age x, father's age x plus 29, and grandfather's age x plus 55. The sum of the ages of all the three equals to 135. So x x x 3x plus 55 plus 29 is 84 equals to 135. Now we shift 84 from LHS to RHS plus convert into minus. We get 3x equals to 135 minus 84, and 3x equals to 135 minus 84 is 51. X equals to 51 upon 3, so x equals to 17 because 51 divided by 3 17 times. So we get x equals to 17. X mean Baichung's age, so Baichung's age equals to 17 years. Baichung's father's age equals to x plus 29. Father's age be x plus 29, so x plus 29, 17 plus 29 is 46 years. And his grandfather's age is, we assume x plus 55, so x plus 55, 17 plus 55, 72 years. And if we add the sum of, if we find the sum of the ages of all the three, we get 135. Next, question number 14. Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has currency notes of denominations rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10. मीन लक्ष्मी के पास जो नोट 100 रुपीज़ और 50 रुपीज़ और 10 रुपीज़ के नोट्स है, एंड द रेशो ऑफ द नंबर ऑफ 10 ऑफ दिस नोट्स इन इज 2:3:5. एंड 100 रुपीज़, 50 रुपीज़ एंड 10 रुपीज़ के जो नंबर ऑफ नोट्स है वो 2:3:5 में है. The total cash with Lakshmi is rupees 4 lakh. How many notes of each denominations does she have? अगर उसके पास टोटल अमाउंट है 4 लाख रुपीज़, नोट्स है रुपीज़ 100, रुपीज़ 50 एंड रुपीज़ 10 इन द रेशो 2:3:5, then how many notes of each denomination does she have? So 100, 50 and 10 in ratio 2:3:5. So let the number of 100 rupees note is 2x, number of 50 rupees note is 3x, and number of 10 rupees notes is 5x. 2x, 3x, 5x, 2:3:5. Suppose if we have 5 notes of rupees 100, then total amount will be 500. We multiply the number of notes by the denomination. So if we have 2x note of rupees 100, then total amount is 100 into 2x. 3x notes of rupees 50, then total amount is 3x into 50, and 5x notes of rupees 10, then amount is 5x into 10, and the total amount is rupees 4 lakhs. So we can make an equation 100 into 2x plus 50 into 3x plus 10 into 5x equals to 4 lakhs. 100 into 2x is 200x, 50 into 3 150x, and 10 into 5x 50x equals to 4 lakh. 200, 150 and 50, 400x equals to 4 lakh. So x equals to 4 lakh upon 400, we get 1000. X equals to 1000. So number of rupees 100 notes is, we assume 2x, so 2 into 1000 is 2000. Number of rupees 50 notes is 3x, so 3 into 1000 is 3000, and number of 10 rupees notes is 5 into x, 5 into 1000 is 5000. So number of 100 rupees note is 2000, number of rupees 50 notes is 3000, and number of rupees 10 notes is 5000. How we check our answer? If we have 2000 notes of rupees 100, then total amount is 2 lakh. 3000 notes of rupees 50, then total amount is 1,50,000, and 5000 notes of rupees 10, then total amount is 50,000. If we add them, we get total amount 4 lakh given in the question. So our answer is correct. Question number 15. I have a total of rupees 300 in coins of denomination of rupees 1, rupees 2 and rupees 5. The number of rupees 2 coins is 3 times the number of rupees 5 coins, and the total number of the coins is 160. How many coins of each denomination are with me? So total amount is 300. Number of 2 rupees coins is 3 times the number of 5 rupees coins, and total coin is 160. So let we assume the number of 5 rupees coins is x, and number of 2 rupees coins is 3 times the number of 5 rupees coins, so it is 3x. Now the number of rupees 5 and rupees 2 coins together, total number of coins of rupees 5 and rupees 2 is x plus 3x, mean 4x. And the total number of the coins we have is 160. So the remaining coins is 160 minus 4x. 5 rupees coins and 2 rupees coins, total is together is 4x. So we subtract from 160 4x, we get the remaining coins, and remaining coins of the number of 1 rupees coins. So 1 rupees coins is 160 minus 4x. Now if we have x coins of 5 rupees, then total amount is 5 into x. 3x coins of rupees 2, then total amount is 2 into 3x, and 160 minus 4x coins of rupees 1, then amount is 1 multiplied by 160 minus 4x, and the sum mean the total amount is rupees 300. So we make an equation 5 into x plus 2 into 3x plus 1 bracket 160 minus 4x equals to 300. 5 into x 5x, 2 3s are 6x, 1 into 160 160, and 1 into minus 4x equals to 300. 5 and 6 11 minus 4x 7x plus 160 equals to 300. 7x 160 from LHS to RHS, if we shift, we plus 160 convert into minus, so we get 7x equals to 300 minus 160. 300 minus 160 is 140, so 7x equals to 140, and x equals to 140 upon 7 equals to 20. So we get the value of x 20. Now x is the number of 5 rupees coins, so number of 5 rupees coins is 20, and number of 2 rupees coins is 3 times the number of 5 rupees coins. We assume 3x, so 3 into 20 60, and the number of 1 rupees coins are 160 minus 4x. 160 minus 4x equals to 160 minus 4 into value of x 20, 4 into 20 80, so 160 minus 80 equals to 80. So number of 1 rupees coin is 80. To check our answer, if we have 20 coins of rupees 5, then total amount is 100 and 60 coins of rupees 2, then total amount is 120, and 80 coins of rupees 1, then amount is 80, and if we add them we get total amount 300 given in the question. Total amount, I have the total of rupees 300, so our answer is correct. Thank you.